Hey, Edward. So, how was it?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Edward,
Grace, mamaya na tayo mag-usap ah.
Gracie went inside the conference room.
okay. Salamat.
Once the oxy wears off, mararamdaman ni Edward yung mga side effects. Maaari siya magsuka. Maging restless. At magbabago-bago ang mood niya.
Edward,
Grace, wait, not now.
gusto lang naman kitang kausapin.
Grace, we can talk later.
Ano bang nangyayari sa'yo?
Nothing. Nothing.
Edward, baka meron kang hindi sinasabi sa akin. Baka may nararamdaman ka.
Grace, wala. Wala akong nararamdaman.
Hindi, iniisip ko lang kasi na baka dapat hindi ka pa talaga muna pumasok. Baka dapat ipahinga mo muna yung utak mo.
Nakapagpahinga na ako, Grace. How many times have I said that? And you know, I've been working all my life and just because of this stupid brain injury, or whatever you want to call it, ano, mapaparalyze na lang ako? That's not how I work.
Edward, it's just that you're acting differently. Ha? Kailangan nating pag-usapan to. Kailangan nating i-discuss to. You have to tell me. You have to tell me what's going on. You have to open up to me. Please, ano bang nararamdaman mo kasi?
Grace! I just told you what I'm feeling. Okay? Can you please just stop nagging me? Okay? Grace, leave me alone. That's all I need from you. Just for a bit. Ah!